Hi everyone, I'm Jing. I'm from Sunshine English Group. Today I'm going to introduce you 44 sounds in English. This one. Let's start with this one. A, fish, fish. 6, sugar. E, C, please, and key. O, port, good, sugar. Next one. Two, soon, fruit. Bus, put, up, cut. Next one. R, car, star, and start. O, dog, heart and not. All is as in car, ball, and saw. Next one is ago, together, today. Next one. Work, verb. Bed, next one. Cat, hand, and fan. Next is deep tones. Ear, beer, tear, beer, tour, bike, boy, noisy, and toy. Ago, so, and bell, fair, sell. Out, about, now, and a, make, take, and wait. Next is consonants. Pen, put, and hit. As in take, 10. Cat, wait, catch, and change. Next one is cat, bank, and key. Next one. Half, fair, and fan. As in thank, thought, and Thursday. As in C, six, sin. Is she, so, English. B, as in bean, cub, and big. D, as in dog, dad, and dentist. As in joke, joy, and next one is g, glass, girl, and bag. Next one is victory, half, and berry. Next one is this, those, and with. Next one is zoo, please, and next one is television, usually, and usual, Asia. Next one is time, man, and mango. Next one is in bean, nice, and neck. Is thank, sing, and song. As in hello, hi, and hungry. L, as in well, love, and English. Bro, as in rose, rice, and bring. As in world, word, and war. As in young, yes, and yes. Thank you very much for watching my video. Goodbye.